The Amazon rainforest. A detailed overview 7. The Amazon rainforest is the largest and most diverse tropical rainforest on Earth. It covers much of the Amazon basin in South America and contains an extraordinary variety of plants, animals, rivers, and indigenous cultures. Often called the world's greatest rainforest, it is one of the most important ecosystems for life on Earth. Location and size. The Amazon stretches across 9 countries. Brazil about 60% of the forest. Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, French Guyana. The rainforest covers roughly 6 million square kilometers, an area nearly twice the size of India. The Amazon basin itself spans about 7 million square kilometers. The Amazon River 7. The Amazon is named after the mighty Amazon River. Key facts: it is the largest river in the world by volume of water. More water flows through it than the next several largest rivers combined. It has over 1,100 tributaries. During the rainy season, parts of the river can be more than 40 kilometers wide. The river system transports approximately 20% of the world's river water flowing into the oceans. The river begins high in the Andes Mountains and flows eastward into the Atlantic Ocean. Climate. The Amazon has a tropical climate. Average temperatures 25-28 C around. High humidity, often above 80%. Heavy rainfall ranging from 2,000 to over 3,500 millimeters annually. Little seasonal temperature variation. Rainfall is so abundant that the forest creates much of its own weather. Trees release vast amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere, helping generate clouds and rain. Layers of the forest. 8.1. Emergent layer. The tallest trees reach heights of 60-80 meters. Eagles, bats, and some insects live here. 2. Canopy. This dense layer forms the forest's roof. Most Amazon wildlife lives here. 3. Understory. A darker area receiving limited sunlight. Many reptiles, insects, and small mammals inhabit this zone. 4. Forest floor. Less than 2% of sunlight reaches the ground. Decomposition happens rapidly, recycling nutrients. Plants. The Amazon contains approximately 40,000 plant species. Important plants: rubber trees, Brazil nut trees, kapok trees, orchids, bromeliads, giant water lilies, cacao trees, the source of chocolate. Many modern medicines have origins in rainforest plants. Scientists continue discovering new species and potential medical compounds. Wildlife. For the Amazon is the most biodiverse rainforest on Earth. Mammals: jaguar, capybara, sloth, giant otter, tapir, birds, macaws, toucans, harpy, eagles, hoatzins. Reptiles: green anacondas, caimans, iguanas, aquatic like pink river dolphins, piranhas, electric eels, arapaima fish. Scientists estimate that millions of species may still be undiscovered. Indigenous peoples. 8. The Amazon has been inhabited for thousands of years. Today, more than 400 indigenous groups live throughout the rainforest. Some communities maintain traditional lifestyles, while others combine traditional and modern ways of life. These communities possess extensive knowledge about medicinal plants, sustainable hunting, fishing techniques, forest management. Some isolated tribes have little or no contact with the outside world. Importance to the world. Carbon storage. The Amazon stores billions of tons of carbon in its vegetation, helping reduce the impact of climate change. Biodiversity. It is home to roughly 10% of known species on Earth. Water cycle. The forest helps regulate rainfall across much of South America. Scientific value. Researchers study the Amazon to learn about ecology, medicine, evolution, and climate systems. Threats. 6. The Amazon faces several major threats. Deforestation. Trees are cleared for cattle ranching, agriculture, infrastructure projects, logging. Both legal and illegal logging remove valuable trees. Mining. Gold and mineral extraction can damage ecosystems and pollute rivers. Climate change. Higher temperatures and changing rainfall patterns increase stress on the forest. Fires. Wildfires, often started by human activity, can spread rapidly during dry periods. Fascinating facts. The Amazon is over 50 million years old. A single hectare of Amazon forest can contain more tree species than some entire countries. The forest produces enormous amounts of atmospheric moisture called flying rivers that influence rainfall across South America. Some Amazon trees can live for hundreds of years. The Amazon basin contains about 1/5 of the world's flowing freshwater. The Amazon rainforest is one of Earth's greatest natural treasures, a vast, living system that supports extraordinary biodiversity, influences global climate, and sustains millions of people across South America.